everyone, welcome to Katie Cooked What. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another Wingin' It Wednesday, which are always my favorite ones to film, to be honest. If you don't know what Wingin' It Wednesday is, or if you're new here, haven't seen one or whatever, basically it kind of varies. It's either I've seen a recipe somewhere and I want to try to recreate it, or I just have an idea for something that I want to give it a go and I've never tried it before, or using enough ingredients in the fridge, like kind of just it's a winging it. I'm just making a new recipe that I've never cooked before. So I was scrolling through TikTok the other day, as you do, and I saw this person use hummus as a pasta sauce, and I've thought about it for days. I couldn't decide if it would be great, if it would be too thick, like if it would be just too much. I think it would be really filling pasta, at least, just because of the hummus and all the extra protein. I don't know, but that's what we're gonna find out today. So I'm gonna get my hummus so ill-prepared. Okay, hummus is here. So I'm gonna be using this roasted red pepper hummus that I made. This video will definitely be up before this one. I'll link it in the description if you wanna go and check it out, if you wanna try it at home. I thought I would do just the roasted red pepper one. It seemed like it would fit hummus better to me. Fit hummus. It seemed like this hummus, it's 9 o'clock at night and I'm making pasta, can you tell that? I thought that roasted red pepper hummus would just be more pasta sauce-like than regular hummus, so I think I made the right call on the hummus that I'm using. I didn't just want to do noodles and hummus though, because what a lame video to film. So I'm also going to throw in tomato, I'm going to throw in onion, and I'm going to probably throw in some Parmesan cheese on top. I think that would be good. Maybe cut up some fresh basil. Just try and make it good. I'm just adding some olive oil into this frying pan, and I'm gonna cut up my onions, and then once this is heated up, we will start cooking those. So I have a little bit of red onion left, so I thought might as well just go ahead and use that. I'm not planning on making a ton of this, because like what if it's bad, you know? So I'm just gonna use minimal ingredients, I think. My biggest concern with this recipe is honestly just the warm hummus. Like, I just don't know. I'm not sold. I think it might be kind of weird. This might be our first negative Wingin' It Wednesday. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my tomato right now, but I'm not gonna add it to the frying pan just yet. I'm just gonna get everything ready. I got pretty bored waiting for the noodles to cook, so now I'm filming a TikTok about this. So go follow me on TikTok if you don't already. Okay, so noodles are done. I'm just gonna add them right into the pan. I'm just gonna add like a scoopful at a time. I don't wanna get too crazy with it. Okay, I think 2 scoops is probably lots. I'm gonna mix that in. I don't know, it doesn't look great, does it? Did make sure that I extra blended this hummus when I made it so that it would be really smooth, because I don't mind like chunkier hummus personally, but I mean you don't really want that in a pasta, I wouldn't imagine, if you want it to kind of resemble sauce. So I did like let the food processor run for an extra few minutes to make sure that it was quite good, quite smooth. This is really good hummus though. Like I'm thinking if any hummus was gonna be a good pasta sauce, it's probably this one. Add a little Parmesan. Make it fancy. Basil. Okay, taste test. It's not bad actually. It doesn't taste as hummusy as I expected it to. Definitely glad that I added the onions and tomato though, and the Parmesan honestly, because I think just hummus and noodles, I was right, that would have been pretty lame. It doesn't taste super hummusy like I thought that it might. I thought that it was gonna be, I don't know, just really obvious that it was hummus. I think it can kind of pass as pasta sauce. I just don't know if it needs to. Like, I'm definitely gonna finish it. I would make it again, but I don't think I would make it like all the time or anything. I kind of feel like the more that I eat it, the more it grows on me though. Pretty good. 8 out of 10. official review. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. It probably wasn't the most interesting Wingin' It Wednesday I've done or the longest or anything, but I don't know, I just really wanted to try this recipe and I had never heard of it before, so I thought maybe other people were new to the concept of hummus pasta as well. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions on what I should make or anything like that, leave them in the comments. Or like let me know if you've made hummus pasta. I'm really curious if other people have been diving into this. I think it's pretty interesting. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff if you feel like doing it. And come check me out on other social media. I would say TikTok and Instagram, mainly Instagram, but those are my two main ones. But I do have a Twitter account and I'm just at Katie Cooked What across all of them. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.